everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here to show you an item I purchased and a prize I won and a project share. Now, I have to apologize to the person I bought this from because I cannot find her channel at all. I looked. And now I'm wondering if maybe she was on somebody else's channel and they were like hosting her for a sale. But I can't find it in my history either. So I have to apologize first off to Kelli Grabow. And I feel so bad, but I can't find it. So if anybody knows Kelli and you have her channel, please leave it in the comments so I can go link her channel to this video. But she was having a sale, and I actually came in and they're like, Tina, pick a number, and I picked a number and I won. Before I even bought anything. It was funny. And it was one of these where I was just chilling and went on YouTube and oh, there's a sale. Okay, I'll go in. But she had this cute light switch ornaments. And, of course, there was a truck one and I had to buy it. And I'm thinking, this is very creative. I've did light switches, but not like this. And I'm like, oh, what a neat idea. It's the ones with the big square in the center instead of the small one. I did the small one. But look, it has a red truck in the middle. And I like that it looks a vintage looking truck. And she's got a die cut going around. She's got like a little metal piece that says Merry Christmas. And she's got a little brad with some pine cones and some green. And then she's got the red striped paper or checkered paper. And I don't know what she used, but she went over it with something. And it's kind of shimmery. I'm thinking maybe glossy accents. I'm not sure, but look at that. Isn't it cute? And then she has this nice little handle on it to hang on a tree. So I bought that. And I had her sign it because I like to know when I'm like, can you please sign it? And look at it. She even has the back embossed with the snowflake. But I asked her to sign it so I knew who made it in years to come. So if you know Kelli Grabow and you know she has a channel, please leave it in the comments for me. I feel really bad that I can't find her. So, because I like linking people's channels. So that if you're a newbie and you don't know her, you can go over to that channel. But isn't that cute? I am so happy with that. Can't wait to go put it on my tree. But I also want, and this is cool because now I know probably where I got my silver ones. Like I said, I didn't know where I got them. I took the wooden domino, and I got some sitting here. Okay. And I had silver snowflakes, only 4 of them. So I did the grandkid's name in the center, and I went around with the, I go around it, and I bring the wood back up, and then I do a dot white line, and I put their names in the middle. And then I glued them in the center of the snowflake, and I put it on their packages. But I only had 4 silver snowflakes, so I couldn't do the adults. Ta-da! I won these from Kelli. And they're from Walmart, I believe. Now I know. And there's 20 in there. So that's cool. So I must have made something or I got sent them 4. So I only had 4. So I'm going to make the adult their dominoes now. And then they'll have the ornament also. So that's that. And now, but I'll show you this again. Isn't that cool? I just love that. And then today, or yesterday, I've been watching, and it's called, so you guys go over and check these out if you want. This is awesome giveaways, ladies, and awesome talented ladies in this collab. Okay, get on my history so I get the name right. You can tell my grandson's watching YouTube because right now in my history it's a lot of his game. Okay, let me get up here. Christmas tree collab. If you go to A Day in My World and find her first video that's on the 4th, I believe, and start there, all the ladies, there's 10 ladies, plus a bonus that came out today, and I ain't going to tell you. You're going to have to go do it yourself. And check out their little Dollar Tree Christmas trees. And they're so cute. These ladies did a wonderful job. But in one of the videos, a lady held a gnome bag up from the Dollar Tree, and it says, Christmas with my gnomies. And I'm like, oh my God, I got to use that. I thought it was such a cute saying. So this is what I made. I I have two more, well, one more after this, of the little stands from the Dollar Tree. And I did Christmas with my nomies, and I got my grandkids in each corner. And I just took some silver or gold beads on the edge and little puff balls. And that's my project share. I'm going to put that in my Christmas. Ooh, yeah, it's Christmas. I am going to put it in my kitchen. So that's my cute little project share. Christmas with my nomies. So they're my little gnomes, my grandchildren. So I want to thank you guys for watching. And Kelly, I'm really sorry that I can't find your channel. And Coda Bear, you want to sign us out?
Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.
And Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Can I play?